Welcome to the demo on the profile page of the EazeWork HRMS. The profile page is covered under the HRIS section of the core HRMS vertical of EazeWork. In this demo, we'll talk about the details which you can see on the profile page. How can you make changes to your profile details, and to what section of employees is your profile data visible. The profile section is one of the most important sections. It contains your data, documents, and provides the basis for managing all the other processes in the system. To open the profile page, click on the HRMS button at the bottom of the page. You'll be navigated to the HRMS home page where you will see multiple cards. These cards give you access to the various different subsections within the HRMS. Tap on the profile card. You'll be navigated to the profile page. Profile photo. You can update your profile photo from the top of the page. You can upload it using the gallery or using the camera to click your current photo. The second section is personal details. In this, your details like name, gender, date of birth, email ID, mobile number are stored. You'll be able to update some of the fields directly. Some fields like date of birth and gender are locked, and once updated, if there is any discrepancy, you will have to get in touch with your HR manager. To update your email ID or phone number, you will have to go to the preferences page. As I'm showing here, I'm changing the marital status from single to married. Once you make a change, tap on submit. The change has been submitted and it has been submitted for approval to your HR manager. A record which is under approval is shown in red color. Official details. This is one of the most important sections. Changes to this section can only be made by your HR manager. If you find any discrepancy in this data, please get in touch with the HR manager. The third section is the address section. In this, your present and permanent addresses are stored. You can keep both of them as same, or you can edit and change your permanent address and make it different from your present address. The fourth section is the bank account section. The system allows you to update two account details. Salary account is used for transferring your salary, and expense account is used for business expenses and also for reimbursements. Depending on the company policy, you might have the option to update the bank account details. When you click on edit, you'll be able to make changes to bank account details if that option has been given to you by account. The fifth section is the statutory details section. In this, your PAN, UN number, tax option, and other statutory details are stored. Sixth section is the additional details section. Important data like your blood group, your emergency contact details, your family's contact details, your personal numbers and all can be stored in this section. The seventh section is an important section, family details. In this section, you can update the list of your family members. Click on the plus button to update a new family member detail. You can select the relationship. You can also update the date of birth. If the member is dependent upon you, you can activate the dependent flag. Whatever changes you make will be sent for approval to the HR team. The eighth section is the educational qualification section. In this, the educational details updated by you during onboarding are shown here. You can make changes to details if there have been any changes. The ninth section is the work experience section. Again, here all the details we updated during onboarding are visible. You can make changes here. The 10th section is the skill details section. If your company has activated the skill management feature, you will be able to see this section. Here, your various skills and your skill levels are shown to you. You can make changes to your existing skill levels, or you can update a new skill detail by clicking on the plus button. Whatever changes you make to this section will go to your manager for. The 11th section is a reference document section. In some companies, employees are required to provide documents like passport, driving license, visa. You can use this section to upload these documents. As you can see, there are various fields which need to be filled up, and whatever fields are mandatory will need to be filled up by you when you're. The last section is the other document section. This section can be used to store documents like your CVs, letters, citations, and can be made visible to the HR manager. So this is the profile page. The important thing to note here is that the data on this profile page is visible to the HR team and can be made visible to your manager depending upon your company's policy. Thank you.